welcome back to another episode of the Whisky Diaries. Today we are going to be talking about a special edition of the Nikka distillery. Now this special edition is an apple brandy wood finish that got released for the 100th anniversary of Masataka, Taketsuru and Rita. A little bit of history on the Nikka distillery. Nikka was created around the 1900s. It's one of the first distilleries to start in Japan. Masataka Taketsuru did a traineeship in Scotland and then moved back to Japan and took his knowledge into Japan, into whiskey making. Now, the reason why they did a brandy wood finish is because initially the original distillery, that is Yoshi, which we will talk about later on for another whiskey, started making apple brandy. They couldn't make whiskey fast enough, so to survive for the distillery, they sold apple brandy. Now, at that time, Rita and Masataka were still married, and they were producing together the apple brandy just to sell it. So this is kind of like a nod to those times, and this whiskey got finished in apple brandy. It doesn't say how long, and it doesn't say what it is, but Miyagikyo has a very soft, grassy style of aromas. So this is will be a very interesting edition. Also, it's bottled at 47% ABV. And it's a really good distillery. The distillery itself is on the in the South Island, and then Yoshi is on the south, and it's the second distillery that they created. So this one goes into the blends, all Taketsuru's pure malt, and as I said before, this is for the 100th anniversary of the whiskey. This is brand new open, and I'm having troubles with it. There it goes. This whiskey already sells for about $750 online, which is really expensive for something that just got released like a couple of months ago. That's crazy. That's a really light color. I'm gonna put it next to the camera so you can see, but it just doesn't show any color. As I said before, this is a no-age statement. I have no idea how many years it's been put in wood for. I'm assuming the initial wood was American oak and then finished with brandy casks. But then I couldn't find any information because this whiskey just got released right now. You can definitely smell the Miyagikyo there. It's just really grassy, really fresh aroma, almost like green teas, think of apples as well. 47% ABV. It has a little bit of a kick, but not too much. It's definitely Japanese through and through, with a little bit of hints of like what you would get from apple, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of spiciness from the apple brandy that comes through. This is a great edition. If you can get your hands on it, definitely a collectible, and it will increase in value a lot. If you want to hear more about Nikka, in the description we have all the other videos that we've done in the past for Nikka Distillery, and hopefully we'll see you again. Salam Jabba.